Building your first PC? Don't mess this up. First, make sure you have all your parts ready. CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, case, and power supply. For safety, you should touch metal or use an anti-static method to make sure you don't fry your components. Start with the motherboard. Install your CPU, then your RAM, then your storage. It's way easier outside the case. Now, put your motherboard in the case. Install the power supply and connect all of your cables. Add your graphics card last. It's the easiest step. Plug it in, turn it on, and if it works, you just built your first PC. And yeah, don't forget the thermal paste or you're starting over.